Chris Barnard, President and CEO of Wacker Neuson Corporation, and I'd like to welcome you to a very exciting event that we're going to begin sponsoring in the next weeks, culminating in Las Vegas. Wacker Neuson Corporation is a global player in the light and compact equipment. We've got operations in almost every continent around the world and in the United States. We are committed to the concrete business. We are an active supporter of the business. We have 153 product groups which are directly designed for the concrete industry. Complementing that, we have a demolition product line with about 27 product groups, which also serves a very important function within the concrete industry. We also have a very strong R&D development focus. We've got 420 patents in this organization. Many patents are included in this machine behind me, so we're very proud of the heritage that Wacker Neuson brings in terms of technology and in terms of applying that technology to the job site. The customized CRT, the riding trowel behind me, is a very special unit. It's got all the new features introduced into the United States with some custom features, and this trowel will be going around the country to all of the regions, all the concrete regions, exposing it to both contractors and to distributors. The event will culminate in Las Vegas at the World of Concrete in February of 2010, and we sincerely hope that you will take the time to get exposed not only to this excellent unit, but to the tremendous expertise and knowledge that we have in the concrete process. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in Vegas in February.
The Wacker Neuson Trowel Challenge is a challenge that will test the skill level of the finishers that attend World of Concrete. And as a grand prize, that finisher will win for his company a customized CRT ride-on trowel machine, which has a value of up to $20,000. This was a cooperative effort between Wacker Neuson and Briggs & Stratton. It's a one-of-a-kind. Well, if you think you have a highly skilled fast finisher, go to www.trowelchallenge.com and sign up. And we will run off each day, and then on Thursday we'll have the eliminations at 4 o'clock. And this will be the top 10 finishers, and they'll have an opportunity to run off against each other. This trowel is going to go cross country. We've got this thing going from East Coast to West Coast, and it's going to end up right before the show in Las Vegas. What we're doing is we're going to over 50 dealers across the country, and they're going to have a show ahead of time, and you're going to have an opportunity, contractors have an opportunity to view this beautiful machine. This is, again, it's a one-of-a-kind custom machine. It's got custom parts, it's chromed out, and it's got a big block sound. You got to hear this thing. It's 125 decibels. You're also going to be able to follow this across country on a blog that we have. So you're going to have a lot of fun with this thing even before the show, before you even get there, to get yourself excited.
I'd like to introduce you to Dan Roche, the marketing manager of Briggs & Stratton. He's going to walk us through our grand prize trowel using his 35 horsepower air-cooled big block engine. Dan, why don't you walk us through this trowel and tell us the application and the features and benefits of it?
Be happy to, Tim. Started out with our tried and true platform with the Vanguard V-Twin big block. This is an aluminum block air-cooled engine that is really in a lot of different applications around the world, including zero-turn mowers, stump cutters, concrete saws, and of course ride-on trowels just like this. What brings the cool air in and around the hottest parts of the engine is our cooler, cleaner engine housing. And we painted that yellow. This is a one-of-a-kind color for this engine. Normally it's black. We also chrome-plated the valve covers and a bunch of the hardware around the engine. But what makes this engine look different and sound awesome are these chrome-plated, custom-tuned pipes that we had especially made for this application. As you can see, they wrap around the back through here. Each cylinder has its own exhaust pipe, just like a top fuel dragster, to make sure that each one of those 35 horses get out as freely and as cleanly as possible. That's what makes this thing look one-of-a-kind for this one-of-a-kind ride-on trowel application. We're really excited to be part of this project as the Vanguard Group, and we look forward to seeing you at the Wacker Neuson dealers and at World of Concrete in February.
Hi, I'm Tim Lickle, the concrete product manager from Wacker Neuson. I'd like to show you our new trowel that we're being given away at World of Concrete 2010. We're sponsoring a trowel challenge for concrete contractors and their finishers to win this trowel over at World of Concrete. We're running a course set by Wacker Neuson, and we're going to be giving away a CRT 48VX trowel. This trowel is powered by a 35 horsepower Vanguard air-cooled engine. The blade speed on this trowel goes from 25 RPM for low torque panning up to 165 RPM for high speed finishing. The weight of the trowel is about 1,130 pounds. It has features like torsion assist steering. It really delivers 75% less fatigue to the operator when panning. It has a dynamic steering stabilization system, which really eliminates stick slip or chatter of the blades when you get into a transitional period on the concrete. This trowel is also offered in 3 different versions. This happens to be the 35 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard air-cooled engine.